Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 2.7-liter Turbo Max engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as blackout package, 2-inch lift kit, spray-on bed liner, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, you're going to have this all-black interior with lots of extra storage and paneling on the bottom next to your speakers. Comes up to the power mirrors, locks, and windows, chrome accent handle. And you're going to have a 40-20-40 bench split seat with driver adjustable lumbar here. Left side, you're going to have your 2 and 4 wheel, and as well as your lighting controls. And left side of the steering wheel, and the only buttons on the steering wheel will be your cruise control and forward collision alert, and you get the black bow tie. The odometer here, you got the little dial. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, and as well as your gauges, trailer brake, and all that fun stuff. Classic Colin truck shifter, push to start down there. And the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as you can choose to sign up for OnStar if you'd like, and as well as your rear camera with hitch guidance. Below you got the climate controls, again pretty straightforward, with lane keep assist, auto stop, and hill descent control, part of the Z71. And as well as you have your integrated brake controller with 2 USB ports at 12 volts and an AC wall port. In the center seat, you got lots of extra storage, cup holders, storage inside. You lift up the seat as well, storage down below. Get it back down, find the tab, put it back down. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable. Chrome accent across with the double glove box. Speakers and vents up top, some more storage there. And then here you can access your reading lamps and your OnStar and SOS. You got these blacked out 18-inch wheels on Goodyear Territory mud-terrain tires. You got the black badging, the hood scoop there. Everything's all black. Even the Trail Boss badging, it's super nice looking. You got the paint matched corner step bumper, trailer hitch and fifth wheel sunder with the Rancher shocks. You got the black tip exhaust. And at the tailgate in the back here, you got 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port and around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, again more paneling storage next to the speaker, power window with chrome accent. Back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear ventilation and USB ports. You got foldable seats for more storage with the lamps up top and handles on the side. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss, equipped with a 2.7-liter Turbo Max engine, as well as Goodyear Territory mud-terrain tires, 2-inch lift, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.